How you guys doing? Jeremy Jones here, hoping to help you find what you're looking for. Just wanted to touch on building your quiver. This is not something that you go out and need to do on a yearly basis, but kind of how I think about it is you have your workhorse that's going to work in the bulletproof everything, ride the whole mountain, just the more along the lines of a traditional board. So if you're more freestyle focused, then maybe go towards the more freestyle focused kind of, you know, that workhorse board. Then you get into the alternative shapes, and with these you're generally riding them less, or I am, which means they'd last longer. So for example, I have a Hovercraft 164 that I bring out once a year, and I'll have that board for the rest of my life. And it just kind of, it's for that day when it's like chest deep. And so as you get into the more alternative shapes, just know you're not going to be riding them probably as much, which means they're going to last for a really long time. And the thing with us at Jones, when I'm designing a board, I want it to have a distinct, different feel than a different board in the line. So we spell that out, and it's just kind of understanding what type of board you like. And I personally do find myself riding a lot of different boards, especially at my home resort, just to kind of spruce up that run that maybe you've ridden hundreds of times before, or maybe you're not as motivated to ride that day. I'll go out on, you know, a really small surf shape. I'll make my stance really narrow. I'll won't lace up above my ankles, and I'll just have this totally different day. And then the next day I might go out on a flagship and be in full charge attack mode, riding the same mountain, same runs, totally different. And then it's common for me, we do what I call Switch Tuesday, where I'll go out on like a Mountain Twin or an Aviator and spend the day riding Switch. That's how snowboarding's been really fun for me. Understanding what the optimal performance spectrum is for a board, going out and utilizing that and changing that board as I want to change how I ride. So check it out. Expand your mind and have some fun, and I'll see you out there.